The Jungle Bird was served as a welcome drink inside the Kuala Lumpur Hilton Hotel's aviary bar. The drink, created by the hotel's beverage manager Jeffrey Ong C-Tech, called for a dark rum, Campari, pineapple juice, lime juice, and simple syrup. The name is said to have been inspired by a collection of colourful tropical birds kept in a fenced-in aviary by the hotel pool within view of guests seated at the bar, as well as the bird-shaped vessel it was said to be served in. So, as you can read on the screen, my microphone blew up 15 seconds into this video, so I'm going to do a little voiceover. So here I am with a smug face saying, I'm making every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's cocktail guide, and today's cocktail is the Jungle Bird. Here I am saying, grab your cocktail shaker, and we're going to add 1.5 ounces of a Jamaican rum, or you can use a Blackstrap rum. Then we're going to add 3/4 ounce of Campari. And I make a little joke about saying it's every bartender's favourite. Okay, then we're going to add 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. Fresh is best and all that. Then we're going to add 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. We're then going to add some ice to that shaker. Then we're going to give it another shake for about 10 to 12 seconds, I reckon. And here I give it the old like and subscribe. Please and thank you. God, I've got good manners. We're then going to strain this over some fresh ice. Look at the colour on that. I'm then going to make a little comment about how I can't drink this because I'm allergic to pineapple juice. I'm going to give this to me missus. It's not a bad looking drink, eh? Give it a go, folks. On to the next one. Cheers.